Good morning students. In previous class what we have learnt? In previous class we learnt about factors and multiples. Okay, we learnt about factors and about multiples. Okay, in this class we shall study about the prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers and composite numbers. Let's see. Okay, first prime numbers. Okay, what are prime numbers? What are prime numbers? A number which is greater than 1 and has exactly two factors, that is 1 and number itself, that numbers are called prime numbers. Okay, what are prime numbers? Then a number which is greater than 1. Okay, a number which is greater than, a number which is greater than 1 and it's having only two factors. Okay, and has exactly, okay, and has exactly two factors, that is 1 and number itself. Okay, that is 1 and number itself are called prime numbers. Okay, what are prime numbers? A number which is greater than 1 and they has exactly two factors. Okay, and that is 1 and number itself. Okay, for example, let's see. Okay, what are prime numbers? That example 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Okay, these are all the numbers we call prime numbers because of the two having the how many factors? Only two factors, that is 1 and 2. Okay, 2 having the only two factors, that is 1 and 2. Okay, again 3 also having only two factors, that is 1 and 3. Okay, 3 cannot divisible by any number. Okay, 2 is also same. 2 is not a divisible by any other numbers. Okay, except 1 and number itself. Okay, now here 5 is also having a two factors, that is 1 and 5, and 7 is also having a two factors, that is 1 and 7. Okay, these are all called prime numbers. Okay, what are prime numbers? A number which is greater than 1. Okay, 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 1, 5, 7 is greater than 1 and has exactly two factors. Okay, and these numbers having only two factors. Okay, there is no greater than two factors. Okay, the factors of 2 is 1 and 2, the factors of 3 is 1 and 3. Okay, this having only 1 and number itself. Okay, are called prime numbers. Okay, these are all called prime numbers. Okay, next we move on to the composite number. Okay, composite number. What do you mean by composite number? Composite number. Okay, what do you mean by composite number? A number which is greater than 1 and has more than two factors is called composite number. Okay, a number, what is composite number? A number which is greater than 1. Okay, which is greater than 1 and has more than two factors. Okay, and has more than two factors are called a composite number. Okay, let's see an example for composite numbers. Okay, what are the examples for composite numbers? 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay, let's check these numbers having how many number. Okay, 4. The 4 having how many factors? We know that 1 is a factor of every non-zero number and 2 divides 4 exactly and 4 divides 4 exactly. Okay, the 4 having the three factors. Okay, three factors. What is composite number? A number which is greater than 1. Okay, 4 is a greater than 1 and has more than two factors. Okay, 4 having a three factors, so it means more than two factors, so 4 is a composite number. Okay, now 6. What are the factors of 6? 1 2 divides the 6 exactly and 3 divides 6 how many times? 2 times. 3 2s are 6 and 6 divides 6 one time. Okay, it's having a 4 factors. Okay, so 6 is a composite number. Let's check 8 is a composite or not. Okay, here also same. The 1 divides the 8 and 2 divides 8 and 4 divides 8 and the 8. Okay, these are all the factors of 8. Okay, this is having 4 factors. Okay, now you check the 9. 9 is a composite number or prime number. Let's check. Okay, 1 is a factor of 9 and then 3 is a factor of 9 and then 9 is the factor of 9. So 9 is having 3 factors, so it is a composite number, okay, like that, okay. 10, 1 is a factor of 10, 2 is a factor of, and 5, and 10 itself is a factor of 10, okay. These are all called composite numbers, okay. What are composite numbers? A numbers which is greater than 1 and has more than 2 factors are called composite numbers, okay. What are prime numbers? A number which is greater than 1 and has one and has exactly 2 factors, okay. That is, one is one factor and a number itself is a another factor are called prime numbers, okay. This is the concept of prime and composite numbers, okay. Next move on to the even numbers, okay. What do you mean by even numbers? Okay, we know that what are even numbers, okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are called even numbers, okay. What is the definition for even number? A number which is multiple of 2 is called a even number, okay. What is the definition for even numbers? A number which is a multiple, okay, multiple of 2 are called even numbers. What are even numbers? A number which is a multiple of 2 are called even numbers, okay. Example, okay. What are the multiples of 2? We know that multiples is nothing but tables, okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on, okay. These are all the multiples of 2, okay. The multiples of 2 are called even numbers, okay. Next we move on to the odd numbers, okay. What do you mean by odd numbers? Okay, odd number, okay, it is opposite to the even number. The example for odd, we know that what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on are called odd numbers, okay. What is the definition for odd number? A number which is not a multiple of 2, okay. It is opposite to the even numbers, that is a number which is not a multiple of 2, okay, which is not a multiple of 2 are called odd numbers, okay. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on, okay. These are all called odd numbers, okay. 1 is not a multiple of 2, and 2, 3 is also not a multiple of 2, 5 is not a multiple of 2, okay. A number which is not a multiple of 2 are called odd numbers, okay. Example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. These are all examples for odd numbers, okay. Yeah, next we move on to the twin primes, okay. Twin, what do you mean by twin prime? Twin primes, okay. Its name itself shows that is twin. It means the difference between the two prime numbers is 2. They are called twin primes, okay. Twin means 2. Twin means 2, okay. Two prime numbers having a difference of 2 are known as twin primes, okay. The two prime numbers having a difference of 2 are called twin primes, okay. Let's see, for example, what are the prime numbers? We know that prime numbers. What are prime numbers? A number which is having a greater than 1 and has exactly 2 factors, that are called prime numbers, okay. Example, what are the examples of prime numbers? Examples of prime numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. These are all the examples of prime numbers, okay. We already learnt 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are the examples for prime numbers, because these are all the greater than 1 and having only 2 factors, okay. 2 factors, okay. Now we have to learn about twin primes, okay. Twin primes means 2 prime numbers having a difference of 2, okay. For example, the twin primes are 1 and 3, okay. These are all 1 and 3 are the twin primes because of the difference between the 1 and 3 are the prime numbers, okay. The difference between these two prime numbers is 2, 2. Okay, that is 3 minus 1. We get we have to subtract 1 from 3, we get 2. Okay, and another example is 3 and 5. Okay, 3 and 5. 3 and 5 here also same. Okay, we have, when we are subtracting 3 from 5, we get difference 2. Okay, and then 5 and 7 are the co-primes. Okay, when we subtracting 5 from 7, we get 2. Okay, and then 7 and 7 and 11. Okay, 13. Okay, 11 and 13. 11 and 13. When we subtracting 11 from 13, we get 2. Okay, difference. Okay, the difference between the two prime numbers is 2. Then that prime numbers are called twin primes. Okay, twin primes. Okay, two prime numbers having a difference of 2 are called twin primes. Next, co-prime. Okay, co-prime. What do you mean by co-prime? Co-primes. Okay, what do you mean by co-prime? The two numbers are said to be co-prime if they having no common factors, okay, other than 1, are called co-primes. Okay, co-primes. Okay, what do you mean by co-primes? Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they have no common factors, okay, other than 1. Okay, the two numbers having the common factor, that is 1 only. Okay, they having one only a common factor, that numbers are called co-primes. Okay, for example, let's see the example for the co-primes are 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3 are the co-primes, and 3 and 4, and next 5 and 6, and then 7 and 8. Okay, let's check 2 and 3 are the co-primes or not. Okay, we know that what are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. What are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. Okay, we know that what do you mean by co-primes? If they have no common factors other than 1. Okay, if two numbers are said to be co-prime if they have no common factors, okay, other than 1. Okay, here 1 is the common factor. Okay, except 1 there is no common factors between 2 and 3, so 2 and 3 are the co-primes. Okay, here also same. We know that what are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. We know that what are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. Okay, here also same. Okay, except 1 there is no common factors in between 3 and 4, so 3 and 4 are the co-primes. Okay, here also 5. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, except 1. Okay, other than 1 there is no common factors between the 5 and 6, so 5 and 6 are the co-primes. Okay, we know that what are co-primes? The two numbers are said to be a co-prime if they have no common factor, okay, other than 1. Okay, here there is no common factors except 1. Okay, except 1 there is no common factor, so these are all called co-primes. Okay, students, in this class we learned about prime numbers, composite numbers, and even and odd numbers, and then twin primes and co-primes. Okay, in next class we will learn about HCF and LCM and prime factorization. Okay, prime factorization and LCM and HCF. Thank you.